What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, it's going to be a vlog style, a day in the life, if you will. But before we get to that, I'd like to thank the sponsor of this video, Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of classes. And if you didn't know, I'm very passionate about being a lifelong learner. I'm always trying to push myself to learn new things. And what's cool about Skillshare is they offer classes on so many topics, whether it's business, entrepreneurship, photography, finances. One class I'm excited about is Logo Design with Draplin, Secrets of Shape, Type, and Color by Aaron Draplin. I'm learning how to create my own logo for this channel. And one thing I love about his class is just how down-to-earth he is. He makes learning about logos so much fun, which makes the experience that much better. Skillshare is specifically designed for learning, which means you're not going to be bombarded or distracted with a bunch of ads, and they're always adding new premium classes. I'll leave a link down in the description below. The first 1,000 people to click that link will get a free trial to the premium membership. Thanks again, Skillshare, for sponsoring this video. Let's do some work. All right, so today's gonna be a pretty easy day as long as nothing else comes in, but we're gonna start out with doing an estimate on a ductless system. I've got a customer that's got a bonus room that they want a ductless unit installed, so we're gonna go over there, check that out, see what's all involved, give them a quote for that. And then I've got a trane PTAC unit that I need to replace. That's gonna be pretty simple as long as everything matches up. We're gonna be utilizing the existing cabinet. So we're just gonna slide the old one out, slide the new one in, test everything, should be good to go. But hopefully everything goes to plan with that. And after that, it's gonna be just running around doing some errands, getting ready for a change out tomorrow. So we'll see how it goes. We're gonna head to Franklin, Tennessee right now to go do that estimate. All right, so that went pretty well. Actually, talked to the customer about their other system as well while I was looking at that ductless unit. Their main system is pretty old. I think it's a 96 model. So I'm gonna give them a quote on replacing that system as well. Do a little discount for doing multi-equipment install. So we'll see how that goes. This is an existing customer of mine. I've done some service in the past. So should go pretty well, hopefully on the estimate there. But I'm gonna work on that today, get that sent over to them, and because I gotta find out availability on the equipment and all that. So yeah, that's gonna wrap up this call. Now I need to head to Nashville, install this trane PTAC unit. Hopefully that goes smooth and we can move on with the day. I'm looking for where it says. So we're not looking for outdoor.
Yeah, it says indoor temperature display.
Yeah.
All right.
You got it.
Changes between changing the mode button to either heating or cooling.
So we want it to where it displays the set point, displaying the set point temperature during heating and cooling modes. Changes between,
Depressing.
We want it to actually show where it is in here.
Yeah.
Snaps on, it hooks to the top and snaps on. Alright, so that went well. Got that PTAC in there. Luckily, everything matched right up. Even the power cord plugged right into the existing outlet, which was great. So, man, those things are obviously super, super simple to replace. Almost wish all HVAC units were like that, right? But it's not the case. Anyhow, everything started up good. Good temperature drop, so I'm happy with that. Looks really nice. So we're going to head up back to Murfreesboro now, and I got to pick up some parts for a change out we're doing tomorrow. We're going to be doing a furnace coil and condenser. So I want to get all the materials today. That way, first thing in the morning, we can get started. So I'm going to head that way now.
I got a 9,000.
Okay, that sounds good, man. Thank you.
Bye. I believe so. You want the communication wire?
Yeah, it actually has a communicating wire, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's the style that I need. All right, so on the way back to Murfreesboro, I actually got a call for another estimate on replacing a dockless unit. This was a Samsung 9K. So I just ran by there real quick and got them a price, and they went ahead and approved it. So I'm gonna go pick up the equipment now because I'm gonna knock that out on Saturday morning, which is today's Thursday, so the day after tomorrow, because I'm busy tomorrow. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that equipment now, and then pick up the materials that I need for tomorrow as well. And that should complete the day, but you know, you never know what happens in this business. You know, just heading back to Murfreesboro and I get a call for another estimate. You know, that's just the way it works. So you never know when your day is done.
It's yours.
So what you think about this truck, man?
Look, I've been in this business for 16 years, and I have seen service techs come here, get stuff, nowhere near as organized as this truck right here. It's refreshing for me to see. In this business, you want to have a truck like this to be able to do what you need to do. Let's do some work.
Yeah, man. All right, so I believe I've got everything I need for tomorrow's change out, and I went ahead and got that ductless unit for Saturday as well. So I think I'm good to go. I don't have any more service calls today, so I'm gonna go home, hang out with the family, and just enjoy the rest of this day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Until next time, see you guys later.